Hey guys, this is Upesh from Beebom.com, and today I'm going to talk about the best Android phone deal available in India right now. Now, generally we're used to seeing Samsung phones with kind of okay specs in the 20 to 30,000 price segment, but recently I was going through the Flipkart's big savings day sale deals, and that's when I came across the Galaxy A80. Now, when the Galaxy A80 launched in India last year, this is what we tweeted. Yes, the Galaxy A80 launched at rupees 47,990 last year in India, and well, that was a pretty outrageous price tag. And right now, it's available for rupees 42,000, which again is a pretty insane price for a phone that's not a flagship but a good high-end smartphone. Having said that, during the big savings days sale, the Galaxy A80 will be available for kind of great price of 21,999. Yeah, 22,000 for the Galaxy A80, and that kind of makes the Galaxy A80 one of the most value for money Samsung smartphones out there. Now, why do I say that it's the best Android phone deal available right now? Well, just look at the specs of the Galaxy A80. So with the Galaxy A80, you get a truly bezel-less 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity display. Yeah, that's a long moniker for display, but this is an Infinity display. No O, no U, a true Infinity display with no notch, no punch hole, nothing. It just looks stunning. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 730 chipset, which is one of the more powerful mid-range chipsets out there. I mean, it's hard to get a non-Exynos Samsung phone in India, and the Galaxy A80 is one of the exceptions. There's also 8 gigs of RAM and 128 GB of non-expandable UFS storage. Yeah, these are great specs. The cameras are also the highlight of the Galaxy A80. There are 3 cameras, a 48 megapixel primary camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and a time of flight sensor. Now, the specs seem good, but what makes it truly awesome is this. Yes, the Galaxy A80 comes with rotating cameras, and this looks super cool. And I know there are concerns about moving parts not being very durable, but I guess that's a risk you have to take, and honestly, this looks too good to not take the risk. Anyway, the rotating camera is also pretty useful. I mean, thanks to this, you can use the main cameras as the selfie cameras, which means super detailed selfies, great ultra wide angle selfies. How awesome is that? And I know this reminds me of the Asus 6Z, but yeah, this is super cool. On the battery front, the Galaxy A80 comes with a modest 3700 mAh battery, but it has a super fast 25-watt charger in the box. When it comes to the software, the phone was recently updated to Android 10 with One UI 2, so it's got the latest software on board. Now, all of these features are packed in a typical premium design by Samsung. The phone has a glass back. It's a Gorilla Glass 6 back, and it looks great. If I were you, I'd go with the white because the black is a huge fingerprint magnet. Anyway, the phone has a single speaker, a USB-C port, but there's no headphone jack and no micro SD slot. Look, the Galaxy A80 makes some compromises here and there, but overall at 22K, it seems like a great deal. But let me just compare it to the Galaxy A31, which is also priced the same at 22,000 rupees, and the Poco X2, which is priced less, but it's very popular. So let's compare them. Okay, so when compared, the Galaxy A80, first of all, I think looks the more premium of the three. Then there's the fact that the A80 has a bezel-less Super AMOLED, which I will take over the AMOLED on the Galaxy A31, and the 120Hz IPS LCD on the Poco X2. Yeah, AMOLED is personally my choice. Under the hood, the Galaxy A80 has a Snapdragon 730, while the Poco X2 has the 730G. Not a big difference, to be honest. The A31 has the MediaTek Helio P65 chipset, which isn't as powerful as the 730 or 730G. The A80 and X2 also have the more powerful UFS storage. When it comes to the cameras, the Poco X2 and the Galaxy A31 come with additional macro lenses, but do we really care about macro lenses? Anyway, as for the primary camera, the Poco X2 has a 64 megapixel primary camera, and having used it, it's great. Now, I haven't compared the cameras of the A80 versus the Poco X2, but when the Galaxy A80 launched, it was launched as kind of a high-end flagshipy phone, and generally Samsung's cameras are pretty good, so I think the A80 should be pretty good. When it comes to the battery, the Galaxy A80 falls short, but it's got pretty good fast charging, so there's that. See, all in all, I'm definitely picking the Galaxy A80 over the Galaxy A31 or basically any other Samsung phone in this price segment. At 22,000, it's basically a steal. Now, compared to the Poco X2, I think the Galaxy A80 kind of holds its own and also brings a few advantages, which is definitely nice. I mean, at this price, you don't really get a Samsung phone or basically any other phone with a Super AMOLED display that's truly bezel-less, a premium design, and good specs all around. Plus it has the unique rotating cameras which definitely make the phone stand out. Yes, the phone is not perfect. I mean, it's quite hefty at 220 grams. It does not have the headphone jack, no micro SD slot, and the rotating camera module means that you'll have to be a little more careful with the device. But if you can look past all of these at 22,000, I think it's a great deal and quite possibly the best Android phone deal available right now. Well, the Galaxy A80 deal will go live on Flipkart tomorrow, and there are some other deals that I came across, and those aren't as impressive as the Galaxy A80 deal, but I think you should know. Let me just share them with you. Okay, so there's the Realme X2 Pro, which will be available for rupees 25,999, and there's the Redmi K20 Pro, which will be available for 23,499. So yeah, check these out if you're interested. Anyway, let us know if you know of any other deals that you came across, and just comment down below so that everyone can know. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure to share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.